All right, 12th class. Today we are going to discuss one case study based on the concept of binary file. Okay. Case study is somewhat similar to comprehension, right? Few blanks will be given in the coding. Few statements will be turned into missing sentences, and you have to read the question given. Accordingly, you have to fill up the statement with the appropriate function or appropriate command used in the programming, right? So all of you keep one notebook in front of you, and we are going to start with the case study, right? So all of you keep one notebook in front of you. So shall we start? So this is the question. Observe the given code and answer the questions that follows. We have defined a function add record. In that function, we are inputting the records into the binary file. We are inputting the record from the user. We are taking the details from the user, and correspondingly, we are transferring the data to the binary file, right? Like for example, here you can see we have taken admission number, student name, and mobile number, right? And we are transferring data to the binary file, and the name of our binary file is student std.dat. Clear? Then we have one more function, display mobile. In this we have passed s as the parameter. S actually is the name of the student. Whosoever name you pass as the parameter, the mobile number of that child will be displayed. You pass any child's name as parameter, and accordingly the mobile number of the concerned student will get displayed. Got it? So here you have few questions. Fill up the blank one in order to import the necessary module in your program. So before you start attempting the case study, you have to keep in mind one thing: these blanks headings. Which heading points to which blank? Which heading points to which blank? Accordingly, you have to go to that particular blank. You have to see the situation. Accordingly, you have to give the answer. Right? Am I clear up till here, 12th? Am I clear with the meaning of case study, 12th class? So let us start the first case study. Fill up the blank one in order to import necessary module in program one. Whosoever knows the answer, raise hand. Yes, Mohit, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir. Sir, pickle.
Yes, now answer the question. Fill up the blank two with appropriate mode so that data can be written onto the file. Yes. Who will answer this question? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Sir, WB.
WB. Write in binary mode. WB. Very right, very correct. All right. Next question is, Write the statement to create the sequence in blank 3 which can be written into the binary file. We have to create the object sequence in such a way that it can be written into the binary file. What sequence you will create here in the blank 3 so that the data can be written into the binary file? Yes, who will tell the sequence? What sequence we should create? Yes, 12th. Maulik has raised hand. Yes, Maulik, unmute yourself.
Sir? Yes, sir. Sir, REC is equal to square brackets admission number, comma serial number, comma mobile number.
We are to create a list type structure. Okay. REC equal to square bracket admission number, comma S name, comma mobile number. So this is our sequence, right? This is our sequence. Clear? So correspondingly, we'll write here also. So our sequence is record equal to admission number, S name, and mobile number. Right, very right. So three blanks we have covered. Now we have the blank number 4th. Let us see the question for blank number 4th. Write the statement in blank 4 to close the link of file handle with the binary file. Write the statement in blank 4 to close the link of file handle with the binary file. Yes. Yes, Mohit. Unmute yourself, Mohit.
S dot close bracket open bracket close.
S dot close function. This function will close the link of file handle with the binary file. So it is S dot close function. All right. Now 4 blanks we have covered. Let us proceed to the blank number 5th. S equal to dash std dot dat, again dash, and we are reading the records in order to display the relevant record. So let us see the question for blank number 5. Write the appropriate function name and mode for reading data from the binary file std.dat. Yes. Appropriate function and mode in order to read the data from the given binary file. Again, the same hands. Why not other students are participating? Yes, Lagan, unmute yourself.
RB.
Okay, mode is RB. And what about the function, Lagan? Which function we will use here so that we can use the file for reading the data? Yes, Abhishek. Lagan, unmute yourself again.
Open.
function.
Open function. Very right, very correct. Open function. So we have covered up till blank number 5. Okay. So function is open function and mode is RB. Read data from binary. All right. Write the appropriate function in blank number 6 used for reading the records from the binary file. Appropriate function in blank number 6 used for reading the records from the file. Which function of pickle module is used to read the records? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself. Yes.
Sir, no option.
Pardon?
Load.
Yes, load function, but we never use inbuilt function like this. We have to write the module also along with that. Okay. So this is our correct answer. Right? Pickle dot load function. This function will help us to read the records from the binary file. All right. Then we come to last blank, blank number 7. Fill up the missing keyword in blank number 7 in order to handle any runtime exception if occurs. Yes, Abhishek, unmute yourself.
Sir, except.
Very right, very correct. Except. Except keyword will be used to handle any sort of exception that arises after we have read the last record. So the answer is except. I hope this case study is totally clear to you. Any doubt, any queries? Bete, it is just like a comprehension. But for case study, you should be having thorough knowledge about the coding part. You should be having detailed knowledge about the programming. Okay. Only then you will be able to attempt the question of case study. Right? Now I would like to discuss one more case study with you. Right? And that is the case study based on text file. Right? So let us discuss one more case study based on the concept of text file. Is this question visible to everyone? Yes, 12th class. Is it visible? All right. Now here I will ask questions. One by one, you raise your hand. I will unmute you and you will give the answer. But to give the answer, you have to come on the video. Only then you are eligible to give the answer. Video must be on first before you want to give the answer. So this is the program of text file, and I have taken two functions, write and read, and the concept of the program is you have to count the total lines present in your file, and the name of the file is file.txt. Okay. First blank. The question is, fill up the blank 1 in order to accept the data from the user. Fill up the blank 1 with appropriate function in order to accept the data from the user. Abhishek, first come on the video, then you can answer the question. Yes, unmute yourself, Abhishek.
Sir, input function.
Very right, Abhishek. Very correct. The correct answer is input function. Very right. Input function. Okay. Next is blank number 2. Fill up the blank number 2 with appropriate mode in order to write the data into the file. Abhishek, you have already given the answers. Please put your hand down. Let me give chance to other students also. Yes, who will give us answer to this question? Yes, please raise your hand. Tanisha. Tanisha, come on the video first if you want to give the answer. Yes, unmute yourself, Tanisha.
सर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में W.
Not in square bracket, bete,
Oh sorry,
in quotes.
double quotes.
W mode. W mode means write data in the text file. Okay. So W mode is the correct answer. Good, Tanisha. All right. Moving to blank number 3. Fill up the blank with appropriate function in order to write the data into the text file. Fill up the blank 3 with appropriate function in order to write the data into the binary file. Sorry, text file. Yes, beta, you have done so many programs of text file. Now, why is you people are hesitate to give the answer? Yes, Maulik, unmute yourself.
Sir, f dot write.
F dot write function. Very right, very correct. F dot write function. Good. So 3 blanks are covered. Now we are shifting to the second function, that is the read function. Okay. Now in this read function, I am going to read the record from the text file, and my purpose is that I have to print the total number of lines present in my file.txt. So first statement, fill up the statement 1 with appropriate mode in order to read the records from the binary file. Yes, who will answer this question? Yes, Mohit, come on the video first, then give the answer. Yes, Mohit.
Sir, R.
R
Double
mode.
quotes.
Very right, R mode. R mode stands for read data from text file. So P equal to 0. This P will get increment as one line will be read. W equal to X dash. Statement 2. Fill up the statement 2 with appropriate function in order to read the lines present in the file. Fill up the statement 2 with appropriate function in order to read the lines present in the file. Yes, you are to read the lines. You are to use such a function that can read the lines present in the file.
Sir RB.
RB is mode, Ruchika. I am asking function. Which function we will use so that the lines can be read from the file? Yes, Sanvinder, you tell. Unmute yourself.
Pickle.load.
Pickle.load is used to read record from the binary files. We are working with the text file, Sanvinder. Yes.
No idea, sir.
Why not idea? You should try. Be confident. Yes, Udit, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Unmute yourself. Yeah, you are unmuted. Tell me the
Sir,
appropriate function over here.
X dot read.
Read. We are to read the
Yes,
lines.
sir.
All the lines. Read lines function. Read lines function will read all the lines present in your file. All right. So this was statement number 2. Now statement number 3. Fill up the statement number 3 so that total lines can be calculated. Fill up the statement 3 in order to calculate the total number of lines. Yes, who will answer this question? Total number of lines calculate karni hai. Yes, Vaibhav, unmute yourself and give the answer.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
P plus is equal to 1.
Yes, very right. P plus equal to 1. Good. P is initially 0. When one complete line will be read, P will get increment with 1. Good. Now comes statement 4. Statement 4 is to be filled in such a way that we can invoke the read function. Invoke means calling. Invoke means calling. Yes, Varun Chauhan, unmute yourself. Varun, unmute yourself. Vanshika,
Good morning.
a very good morning. I want to invoke the function read. So how I will invoke the function? Invoke means calling.
So we have to write in the main statement.
Yeah, this
Read.
is read. The name of the function.
Yes, sir.
The name of the
Yes.
function. Very right, very correct.
Thank you, sir.
So I hope both the case studies are clear to everyone. Raise your thumb to those both case studies are clear. Sanvinder, Ruchika, Udit Gandhi. Vaibhav thumb is not raised. All right. All right. So let me discuss one case study from the sample paper also. Let me find one case study that we can. Arun, during the practical examination of computer science, has been assigned an incomplete search function to search in a pickled file student.dat. The file student.dat is created by his teacher, and the following information is known about the file. File contains detail of students in this format, in the format of list. In the format of list. File contains the detail of 10 students, that is from roll number 1 to 10, and separate list of each child is written in the binary file using the dump function. Arun has been assigned the task to complete the code and print the details of roll number 1. The condition is code is to be completed and the details of roll number 1 should get print. So this is the missing code that has been given to you. Now, you are very much familiar with the binary file. So let us start the questions, but I want to give you 1 minute so that you can go through the coding carefully. You can go through the coding carefully. All right. Now this case study is in form of MCQs. What we discussed earlier was just one word. I didn't give any options, but here you have been provided with the options. So you have to choose the appropriate option. But before speaking the answer, you have to speak the correct letter, that A, B, C, or D, then the correct option also. In which mode Arun should open the file in statement 1? वो ये assume करके चल रहा है कि फाइल बनी हुई है, the data is written into the file, we have to read the records and search for the record. So out of these modes, which mode is the appropriate one in order to fill up in the blank represented by statement 1? Yes, who will answer this question? Yes, Bhavneet Singh, unmute yourself.
Sir, option C, RW.
RW?
Sir, binary file है.
RB बेटे, RW नहीं.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah. RB, you are right.
Sorry.
C option, RB, read data from binary. So here option C will come, RB. Very right, very correct. All right. Now we have identify the suitable code to be used at blank space in line marked as statement 2. Okay, इनमें से कौन सी appropriate statement होगी? If r of 0 equal to 1 for I in range 10, try and pass. The code is here. Yes, Maulik, unmute yourself.
C option, try.
Try. Very right, very correct. C option, try. All right. Justify the function with argument to be used at blank space in line marked as statement 3. Load function, load student.dat. Then we have load f and load fin here. Appropriate function with appropriate parameter. I think Lagan has raised hand, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Lagan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Answer to
Sir,
this.
load.
Appropriate parameter function load हो गया. Appropriate
Load F.
Load bracket F. Very right, very correct.
Bracket में है.
Load bracket
Thank
F.
you, sir.
All right. Identify the, ये तो हो गया third हमारा. Now, fourth MCQ. What will be the suitable code for the blank space in line marked as statement 4? लिस्ट में मैंने आपको बताया था जो भी आपकी फील्ड्स हैं 0, 1, 2 का इंडेक्स कर लो एंड वी आर टू सर्च फॉर द स्टूडेंट assigned task, detail of roll number 1. Detail of roll number 1. We are to search on the basis of roll number. So roll number का index 0 है, name का index 1, marks का index 2. Okay? So इस function में कौन सी condition बनेगी कि हमारा detail record print हो जाए? Yes. Who will tell? Yes, Ruchika has raised hand. Yes, Ruchika, unmute yourself.
Record 0 equals to 1.
You mean to say D option?
Yes, sir.
Very right, very correct, Ruchika. Nice. Because our first record is roll number and we are to search for the detail of roll number 1. So this condition is the appropriate one. Good response. All right. Fifth MCQ. Which statement Arun should use at blank space in line marked as statement 4 to close the file? File dot close, close file, f dot close, close. So this is our blank. Yes, Sanvinder, unmute yourself.
F dot close bracket.
F dot close, because the name of file handle is F. It is given here. F dot close. Very right. C option is the correct option. Very right, very correct. Okay.